Welcome back, guys. And I don't know, it's your girl Nikki, and today, your girl always a cook, though. And when your girl step in the kitchen, she always a cook something nice and something epic. So today, guys, I decided so now cook the rice and peas today, right? So I decided to do some rainforest. So I make sure that it's super rainforest shrimp, and so I go curry that down in some coconut sauce. Normally, your girl like use a coconut, but today I decided to no, I decided to use a canned milk. So, I have Irish potato over here, so, and I have sweet corn tree right here, so. And look at veggies them, I'm going to like steam this. Not deep down steam, but a little bit steam. I'll put it on the side with the potato salad and rice. So today upon the menu we have curry shrimp in coconut sauce with white rice and steamed pop chow with look at potato salad on the side with corn in it. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the progress till we come back. Yeah, so just throw one pack of the shrimp now, so I'm going to throw the other one. So wash it and season it up. So the shrimp here called the peel shrimp. It's a peel jumbo shrimp, as you know. Yeah, so guys, so I'm going to have to peel it now. I do not need to eat some more than just wash it off. Wash it off first. For me, I like wash it off first, and then I put the vinegar upon it and then wash it again. And that's it for me. Guys, now watch my water. Water runs slow the pipe. Wash, clean and everything. I drain off some more of the excess water from off my shrimp. You want it dry. Normally, guys, me that use that hand towel and pat it, make it patty dry like. But me not have no hand towel right now, I run out. So guys, we can't do without the whole all-purpose, right? So we have to use like all-purpose in it. So me add some all-purpose, not a lot, because you don't want the shrimp to be too salt, right? So you just add. Guys, I don't really use measurement because I know my hand, so I don't really use measurement. So I have done the all-purpose season here. So I'm going to use this one also, but not too much because it's about more salt than the Maggi to me. I don't know about you guys, but I can't tell you about this. A little, and for me I always like to use black pepper, so I had a little black pepper on mine. Yeah, look at black pepper. After I'm adding the black pepper, I'm normally add like a little half pack of this, half pack of the curry, so I can rub it in it, even though I'm going to burn the other one. Alright, so I have that right there, so I'm just put a little salt. A little salt to it, not much, but a little salt. Yep, that's it. So guys, I have the garlic over here. So cut up the garlic. Yeah, so I'm adding the garlic, so I need a little piece of pepper because why? I don't know about them. Pepper, yeah, smell hot, but it kinda hot. So basically that's it for me for now with the pepper until girl, I go season. Don't watch my guys, my hand clean. When you can see it, my hand clean. When I don't judge me. Yeah. So we're going to allow she to marinate for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then marinate her for 5 to 10 minutes. So we're going to put her down right over here, so if she want to marinate, and then we're going to move on to cut off the other vegetables, the sweet pepper, the onion, the thyme, and the rest of stuff them. So guys, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so I cut up the Caesar off here. So I have yellow sweet pepper, green sweet pepper, onion, piece of thyme. Still cut up more pepper as I'm telling you, say it's not really hot, but I have garlic I'm going to burn in the curry. I have more oil, guys, and watch my oil just doing. Yeah. So after my oil, I add the oil to the pot, guys. I make it go on at liquor, then I drop in the 2 pieces of garlic in it. piece of garlic in it. See it start make nice already. You know we Jamaican have to burn with curry. That's a must. No running belly around here. Alright. Guys, I now I smell the garlic I burn the curry. You're not supposed to know. Real Jamaicans supposed to know that the smell they know it gone. So guys, I drop in the thyme. Piece of pepper. I'm gonna add it to it. Some onion. Green sweet pepper. And yellow sweet pepper. You want the pink color. So we have to turn them slow from medium. Not too high because we don't want it to burn around here. And allow this to saute a little in the pot, in the season. Alright. So guys, the season already sauteed to my liking. So here I have the, what is this now? The Grace coconut milk. I'm going to pour it in it. Look at that, guys. Wow. That richness. I'm going to turn the stove a little bit more. Normally guys, add some Maggi to it, season it. Wow guys, wow. Look at this richness. You know guys, we always have a taste of this, so we have one at the pot sheet. Guys, I did have this I marinate long time, so I'm gonna drop down this in it and allow it for cook. Alright, so I'm going to close the pot now guys and make this cook down. Yeah, like 15 minutes because you know it's already pre-cooked shrimp, so we're going to allow it to cook down. So guys, just stay tuned, we'll be right back. So guys, we're going to check in back on this now. Wow. Look at that. Look at that richness. OMG. When this done in guys, I wish you could have get some. That is it. Guys, tastes real good. Real, I must say real good. Tastes real good. Awesome. So we allow this to make it one cook till it go down, guys. Because you see it having a coconut juice, I don't add no water to it or anything. So guys, remember, please remember to subscribe. That is important. Subscribe to my video, like, share, and comment. Because if you don't do it, I go, wow, I don't know. I joke me. But subscribe. Cut. I'm going to add in the butter. I already put salt in the rice pot already. So I'm adding the butter. And I don't know, for some reason, I like when I cook, I like add a little oil to my pot. I don't know why, but give me a nice little taste. I like add oil. So after that, so potato well clean up, put another pot. So in my potato water, I have a little oil and salt to it so the potato don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Last but not least now, guys, we're going to check on our shrimp. Curried shrimp. Alright, guys. Wow. Wow. Any minute now, guys, I can lock off this. One thing. Tell me now. For all the gravy lovers, them who love gravy, I want to say, lock it off or keep it on. But you don't know the girl know for cook and know for do her thing. So 5 more minutes, then it's off. So stay tuned for that. So guys, here we have it. This is the finishing touch of the curry coconut shrimp. This is the finishing touch. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it off now. Yep. So the potato ball over here, so we make the mash with the corn and this of the rice. Alright, now I'm going to steam, put up the pop choy. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, so guys, so just wash the pop choy and cut it up. So right now I'm going to cut up the sweet pepper, the onion. I'm going to use 1 tomato in it. So I'm going to steam this. I'm going to steam the pop choy right now. So guys, yeah, shrimp already finished. So I'm going to take out the potato off of the stove very soon. And then chicken on the rice. I'm going to see that. And see what Chef Nikki are going with. You know, girl, that's chef in the kitchen. Man say, man a king in the earth. Well, Chef Nikki in the building. Yeah, so that's the pop for the pop choy. Right, rice can turn on little now. Showing another rice pot, guys. Yeah. See if I can thin it a little bit. Allow this to steam. Allow this to steam now, guys. Yep. Check on the potato first before I cut up the seeds, guys. Then we look at them cook. No, I think they want to boil some more. They want to boil some more. So, getting at the season now. They say I watch and learn.
Yes, it.
Guys, I believe so when you cook, if you cook from your heart, you have to cook with that thing that called love. Because if you don't cook with love, it doesn't make no sense. You cook your man. Well, everybody knows the cooking is my thing, my passion that. Yeah, one day, the girl have to have a restaurant who come sit in and dine. Nice, clean food. If I wash the tomato, so I'm going to wash it off, guys. I don't want to say, oh yeah, you take all the tomato out of the bag and you wash it because I know the corner. So I have to wash it. Alright, after that, piece more pepper shea. Right there, so you can see now, guys, I'm going to throw in the vegetable oil in the pot. shrimp. I do the pak choy now. So that is it. Put it on oil. Apart here, as you put oil in there, the oil just add fast. Here, just listen for yourself. Hear that? I'm just throwing the oil in your ear. She has fry up already. That's the magic. Load it to salty, you know. Add in the pak choy into the pan. Guys, always remember when you're in the kitchen, you wash and go. If you don't really want nothing dirty, you stuck up in the kitchen, so you just wash and go. So here I add some Maggi all-purpose to the pak choy. Now I use the salt tonight because I already used it. So I'm going to cover this and allow this to steam. Yeah, I don't know now. Steam it, but steam it where we can't eat it. So guys, just stay tuned. We'll be right back. So guys, we're going to check on the old pak choy issue. First, we're going to check on pak choy. You have to see how she stay. Come over here, so little man. Come looking at my pot. Alright. Feel like I'm going to lock it off very soon. As I say, I want it to have a crunchy taste to it. Yeah. Yep. So we're going to check on the Irish now. Alright, Irish can lock off now, guys. So I'm going to take it off and start make the potato now. Drain out the excess water. So guys, normally I wouldn't have used mayonnaise in it, but I don't have any mayo for now, so I'm just only going to use butter. Not a lot, but half a butter. Yeah, and crush the potato. Guys, me have a problem. Because maybe me have to go separate the sweet corn to itself, put the sweet corn to itself and not in the Irish, because my people don't like when things and things mix up together like that. In like it separate, so you know that though. So the sweet corn will go by itself. But this is me crushing the Irish. You know, so I need a potato crusher though. I go buy one down at Woolworths. Stop use for. But you know, we are Jamaican. Checking on the rice, and the rice seems to be finished. This guys, rice finished right just now. But I watch this. Over here, so come look over here, so. So the pak choy, steamed pak choy, and over here is the coconut shrimp. And that's a potato. And at the fridge we have the sweet corn. So guys, we're gonna play it now and show you final touch of everything, guys. I'm gonna know. Can't wait for it. I'm showing them the finishing touch. So this is the finishing touch of the food. So you have the pak choy here, the coconut shrimp, sweet corn, potato, and rice. So guys, we are going to get another one until you it tastes.
How it tastes?
Guys, I wish I could have tasted this right now. Coconut. Well, baby down. So we'll just try the pak choy.
Yeah, get another one, Nikki. Hurry up, come on, come eat.
So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe to the video. Please, I am asking you, subscribe.